So I've that I call AI business engineer. And this business engineer basically will draw up the business blueprints, the business structures for startups, and it will also optimize existing businesses.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. An AI business engineer could be a game changer for startups and established businesses alike. It could analyze data, identify areas for improvement, suggest new strategies, and even help with the execution of those strategies. It could be like having a business consultant available 24/7. How do you plan to develop this AI business engineer?
Well, that's why I'm talking to you. I'd like to brainstorm because this business engineer basically is a secretive and proprietary AI system that will literally build in the form of blueprints. It's going to build an entire business from scratch. So, for example, it's going to uh, uh, create the blueprint for email marketing, sales funnels, product development, marketing strategy, marketing research, competitive analysis. It's going to draw all the blueprints and for these various systems and processes. And so it's very visual. It's not like a business plan writing software. It's using OpenDraw, which comes from the open source um, productivity suite, Open Office, and I just pressed on a few buttons on a graphical user interface, and it's going to draw all the business blueprints and processes for a new company.
That's an intriguing concept. Using OpenDraw to visually map out business blueprints could make the process much more intuitive. This AI business engineer could analyze a company's needs and automatically generate tailored strategies and structures, providing a comprehensive visual guide. Have you thought about how you'll train the AI to understand and create these complex blueprints?
I'm actually going to program this AI business engineer, so it's more like a software program.
Got it. Developing it as a software program gives you a lot of control over its capabilities and how it interacts with users. You can program it to integrate various business tools, perform data analysis, and generate the visual blueprints you mentioned. What programming language are you planning to use for this project?
Well, I can't tell you because it's top secret, but it's a programming language that I've learned to use, and I'm going to replicate this AI business engineer to all my operators so that in a Zoom session they can build an entire business system for clients.
That sounds like a well thought out plan. By keeping the programming language under wraps, you maintain the uniqueness and proprietary nature of your AI business engineer. Equipping your operators with this tool to build entire business systems during Zoom sessions is a brilliant approach. It offers a personalized and interactive experience for clients. How are you planning to train your operators to use this tool effectively?
But that's not the big question. The big question is how do I create an AI business engineer that's going to be very useful to my clients, and my clients can be all over the world because they can be served by my operators through a Zoom session. So can from what you understand so far, can you tell me what could be the unique value proposition for this business engineer?
The unique value proposition for your AI business engineer could be its ability to deliver comprehensive, customized business blueprints in real time. Here's how it stands out. 1. Visual blueprint creation. Unlike traditional business planning tools, your software focuses on generating detailed visual business blueprints. This visual approach makes complex strategies and processes easier to understand. Globally accessible consultations. By enabling operators to conduct sessions via Zoom, your service provides personalized, real time support to clients anywhere in the world, making high quality business consulting accessible regardless of location. Customizable solutions. The AI can be programmed to adapt to various industries and business models, providing tailored strategies that meet the specific needs of each client. 4. Integration with business tools. By connecting with existing business software, your program can offer a seamless experience, pulling data and generating insights to refine and optimize business processes. Rapid implementation. With its ability to quickly generate actionable plans, clients can move from planning to execution faster than.
So, how much do you think I should charge for a Zoom session of 1 hour where my operators would be using this business engineer to generate all the business systems and the business plans for a client?
Pricing for a 1 hour Zoom session with your AI business engineer depends on several factors, including the value it provides, the expertise of your operators, and the target market's willingness to pay. Given the unique value proposition of your service, you could consider the following pricing strategies. 1. Premium pricing. If you position your service as a high-end, exclusive offering with top-notch expertise and results, you could charge anywhere from $200 to $500 or more per session. Competitive pricing. To attract a broader range of clients, you might set a more moderate price, such as $100 to $200 per session, making it accessible to small businesses and startups. Tiered pricing. Offer different levels of service, such as a basic package for startups and a premium package for established businesses with more complex needs, ranging from $100 to $500 per session. 4. Subscription model. Offer a subscription service where clients pay a monthly fee for a certain number of sessions, providing ongoing support and fostering long-term relationships. Consider offering introductory discounts or package deals to attract
Have you
initial clients.
have you come across other companies or other offerings that compete with my business engineer?
There are several tools and services in the market that offer business planning, consulting, and automation solutions, but none that perfectly match the unique combination your AI business engineer offers. Here are some categories where you might find competitors or alternatives. 1. Business planning software. Platforms like LivePlan, InLoop, and BizPlan offer business plan creation tools that help users draft and refine their business strategies. However, they typically focus more on written plans rather than visual blueprints. 2. Business consulting services. Traditional consulting firms and freelance consultants offer personalized business advice and strategy development. While they can provide customized solutions, they often lack the automation and efficiency of an AI-driven tool. Business process automation. Tools like Zapier, Integromat, and Microsoft Power Automate allow businesses to automate workflows and integrate various tools. While they offer automation specifically focused on creating comprehensive business blueprints. 4. AI-powered business tools. Some AI platforms offer elements of what you're envisioning, such as Albert for marketing automation or.
Um, so
It seems like you were about to share something else. What else is on your mind regarding your AI business engineer? Are you thinking about how to differentiate it further or have more questions about the competition?
can you write up a brief business plan for my business engineer?
Absolutely. Here's a brief business plan for your AI business engineer. Executive summary. The AI Business Engineer is an innovative software tool designed to revolutionize business consulting by creating comprehensive, visual business blueprints. It provides tailored strategies and processes to startups and established businesses, enabling clients worldwide to implement effective business systems rapidly. Market analysis. The global business consulting market is growing, with companies seeking innovative solutions to navigate an increasingly complex business landscape. Our target market includes startups, SMEs, and large corporations looking for cost-effective, efficient consulting services. Product offering: comprehensive business blueprints covering email marketing, sales funnels, product development, market research, and competitive analysis. Zoom sessions with trained operators for real-time consultation and implementation support. Revenue model for 1 hour Zoom sessions, ranging from $200 to $500. Tiered pricing for different service levels, catering to startups and established businesses. Subscription model for ongoing consulting support. Marketing and sales strategy.
Yes, please continue.
Certainly. Continuing with the business plan. Marketing and sales strategy. Digital marketing campaigns targeting startups and SMEs through social media, SEO, and content marketing. Partnerships with business incubators, accelerators, and co-working spaces. Offering webinars and free resources to showcase the value of the AI business engineer. Leveraging client testimonials and case studies to build credibility and trust. Operations plan. Develop the AI business engineer software with a focus on user experience and integration capabilities. Train operators extensively to ensure they can effectively use the software to assist clients. Establish a robust customer support system to address client queries and technical issues. Financial plan for software creation and operator training. Projected revenue based on pricing models and target client acquisition. Marketing and operational expenses, including software updates, customer support, and marketing campaigns. Break-even analysis and long-term financial projections. Competition from traditional consulting firms and emerging AI tools. Ensuring data security and client.
What do you think are the advantages of a visual business system over a business plan?
A visual business system offers several advantages over a traditional business plan. 1. Clarity and engagement. Visual representations such as flowcharts and diagrams make complex processes easier to understand, keeping stakeholders more engaged. 2. Quick insights. Visuals allow for immediate comprehension of the business system structure and workflow, making it easier to identify key components and relationships. 3. Improved communication. A visual system can be more effectively shared and discussed among team members, stakeholders, and clients, fostering better collaboration. Visual systems can be more easily modified and updated as the business evolves, ensuring that the plan remains current and relevant. 4. Action-oriented. Visual blueprints highlight the steps and processes needed to achieve business goals, making it easier for teams to move from planning to execution. Better problem solving. By visually mapping out business processes, it's easier to spot inefficiencies and areas for improvement, facilitating more effective problem solving. 7. Increased accessibility.
I think that a visual business system can be mapped more accurately and faithfully to reality, because when you look at reality, whether it's my home office or the city of Montreal or Canada, it's it's not written in prose, which is what a business plan is. It's not words; it's actually objects, and ideally, I should create this visual business system in the form of a SketchUp 3D diagram, but that's in the long term. In the short term, it's going to be a 2D diagram. But a 2D diagram or visual map of this business system is way better than the traditional business plan.
Absolutely. You've touched on a crucial point. Reality is multidimensional, involving physical objects, spatial relationships, and dynamic interactions. A visual business system, especially one that could evolve into a 3D format like a SketchUp model, aligns much more closely with this complexity. Even in 2D, a visual map can capture the interconnectedness and flow of business operations, providing a more holistic view than a linear, text-based plan. This approach allows for a deeper understanding of how different elements interact, making it easier to identify opportunities for innovation and optimization. It's a great way to bridge the gap between abstract concepts and real-world application.
Even for training my operators and contractors and employees, you know, a 2D diagram or animation is much more illustrative and engaging and inspiring than training them with PowerPoint slides.
Absolutely. Using 2D diagrams or animations for training can significantly enhance the learning experience. This approach offers several benefits. 1. Enhanced understanding. Visuals can break down complex information into more digestible parts, making it easier for trainees to grasp intricate business processes. 2. Better retention. People tend to remember visual information more effectively than text-based content, leading to improved retention of the material covered. 3. Increased engagement. Dynamic visuals and animations can capture attention more effectively than static slides, keeping trainees focused and interested. 4. Practical demonstration. Visual training can simulate real-world scenarios, allowing trainees to see the direct application of concepts in a controlled environment. 5. Consistency in training. A visual system ensures that all operators, contractors, and employees receive the same information, reducing the risk of miscommunication or varying interpretations. Overall, incorporating visual elements into training can lead to a more effective and enjoyable learning experience for your team.
If this AI business engineer concept or entity is so valuable, how come nobody thought about it before? What prevented people from creating a software program that would do what we're discussing?
Several factors could explain why a concept like the AI business engineer hasn't been fully realized before. 1. Technological limitations. The technology required to develop such an advanced AI system, including machine learning, natural language processing, and data integration capabilities, has only recently become accessible and affordable for widespread use. 2. Complexity of business processes. Capturing the intricacies of various business processes in a single software program is challenging. It requires a deep understanding of different industries, which can be complex to program into an AI. 3. Data availability. Developing an AI that can create effective business systems requires access to vast amounts of data to train the models. In the past, this kind of data was harder to obtain or not available in the required format. 4. Market demand. The need for such an AI solution has become more pronounced recently due to increased competition, the pace of business innovation, and the shift towards digital transformation. 5. Investment and risk. Developing a tool as comprehensive as the AI business engineer.
In terms of a business engineer, what do you think are the major milestones, and also what are the risks?
For your AI business engineer, here are some major milestones and potential risks. Major milestones. First, concept development. Finalizing the features, capabilities, and unique value proposition of your AI tool. Prototype development. creating a basic version of the software to test core functionalities and gather user feedback. 3. Beta testing. Launching a beta version with a select group of users, gather feedback, and refine the product. 4. Full product launch. Officially releasing the AI Business Engineer to the market, supported by marketing and sales efforts. 5. Operator training. Developing a comprehensive training program for operators to effectively use the tool in client consultations. 6. Market expansion. Scaling the business to reach a wider audience, potentially including different industries and international markets. 1. Technical challenges. Difficulties in developing the AI's capabilities could delay the launch or result in a product that doesn't meet expectations. 2. Market acceptance. The concept might be ahead of its time, or potential clients might be hesitant to adopt a new approach.
Tell me, tell me what we've been discussing so far. 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 Hey, what we've been discussing so far.
We've been talking about your AI Business Engineer, a software tool designed to create comprehensive, visually business blueprints for startups and established businesses. We've covered the advantages of using visual systems over traditional business plans, especially for training and engagement. We also discussed why this concept might have been realized before, considering technological limitations, complexity, data availability, market demand, and investment risks. Lastly, we identified key milestones for developing and launching the AI Business Engineer, as well as potential risks like technical challenges and market acceptance.
This business engineer will create workflows as well. Can you tell me the difference between a workflow and a blueprint?
Certainly. While both workflows and blueprints are used to plan and visualize processes, they serve slightly different purposes. Workflow. A workflow is a sequence of steps or tasks that need to be completed to achieve a specific outcome. It focuses on the flow of activities, showing how tasks are connected and the order in which they should be performed. Workflows are often used to improve efficiency, ensure consistency, and automate processes within an organization. They can be represented in flowcharts, diagrams, or checklists. Blueprint. A blueprint is a detailed plan or outline that provides a comprehensive view of a system, project, or process. It includes all the necessary components, relationships, and structures needed to build or implement the system. Blueprints are more static and provide a high-level overview, often used for strategic planning and decision-making. They can be represented in diagrams, schematics, or detailed drawings. In the context of your AI Business Engineer, workflows would detail the step-by-step processes within a business, while blueprints would provide a broader view of the entire business system, including how different work.
I think the AI business engineer can create sales funnels that are very detailed and very granular, so that it makes for easier and more effective teamwork, and also it's easier for me to teach how to design a sales funnel.
That's a great application for the AI business engineer. By creating detailed and granular sales funnels, your tool can break down each stage of the customer journey into actionable steps. This approach offers several benefits. 1. Clarity. Each step in the sales funnel can be clearly defined, making it easier for team members to understand their roles and responsibilities. Consistency. A detailed funnel ensures that everyone follows the same process, leading to a more uniform customer experience. 3. Optimization. With granular data, it's easier to identify areas for improvement and optimize the funnel for better conversion rates. 4. Training and onboarding. A well-defined sales funnel serves as an excellent teaching tool, helping new team members quickly grasp the process and expectations. 5. Collaboration. Detailed workflows allow different teams, like marketing, sales, and customer service, to work together seamlessly, as each step's requirements and handoffs are clearly outlined. By using the AI business engineer to design these detailed sales funnels, you can ensure a more streamlined,
In terms of project management, how can I best manage the development of this business engineer?
managing the development of your AI business engineer will require careful planning and execution. Here are some project management strategies to consider. 1. Define clear objectives. Establish specific, measurable goals for your project. Clearly define the features, functionalities, and deliverables you expect from the AI business engineer. 2. Assemble a skilled team. Bring together developers, designers, and AI specialists who have experience in software development and AI integration. 3. Agile methodology. Adopt an agile approach to allow for flexibility and iterative development. Break the project into smaller sprints or phases, delivering functional components at the end of each cycle. 5. Regular check-ins and feedback. Hold frequent meetings with your team to discuss progress, address challenges, and gather feedback. This practice helps ensure that the project stays on track and that any issues are promptly addressed. 6. User involvement. Engage potential users early in the development process to gather insights and feedback. This input can help shape the tool to better meet user needs.
Can you pitch that project, the AI business engineer project, to investors?
Absolutely. Here's a pitch for your AI business engineer project. Spark your imagination. Imagine a world where launching or optimizing a business is as simple as pressing a button. Introducing AI Business Engineer, a revolutionary software tool that creates comprehensive visual business blueprints, empowering entrepreneurs and companies to build and refine their business systems with unprecedented ease and efficiency. Traditional business planning is often complex, time-consuming, and static. Entrepreneurs and businesses struggle to translate their ideas into actionable steps, often relying on lengthy, text-based plans that fail to capture the dynamic nature of business. Solution: AI Business Engineer transforms business planning by generating visual, interactive blueprints that map out every aspect of a business, from sales funnels and marketing strategies to operational workflows. It's like having a business architect at your fingertips. Market opportunity. The global business consulting market is estimated to be worth over $250 billion, with companies increasingly seeking innovative, cost effective solutions to navigate a rapidly changing business landscape. AI.
I think that to succeed in launching a profitable business, people will need three important components. So one, it's their thoughts and their behavior. So this is like the materials for creating a new company. Number two, they need to have the beliefs that support their identity as entrepreneurs. So this is like the blueprints for a house. And finally, they need the workers, the construction workers, and this is the emotional energy they have to invest. I would say that the AI business engineer provides the blueprints and also the materials, but people have to have the willpower, the intense hunger for success, the motivation, the self motivation if they are to succeed. So, although the AI business engineer will do a lot of the technical work, the heavy lifting in terms of planning and executing, uh, people have to provide the emotional energy.
You're absolutely right. The AI business engineer can serve as a powerful tool, providing the blueprints and materials needed to build and execute business strategies. However, the drive, determination, and emotional energy of the entrepreneur are crucial for success. It's the human element that brings these plans to life, turning blueprints into thriving businesses. The AI can handle the technical aspects, but the passion and commitment of the entrepreneur are what ultimately drive success. It's this blend of cutting edge technology and human ambition that can truly transform the entrepreneurial landscape.
And I think that with AI taking over more and more jobs, it's going to be hard for young people to find a job, and it's going to be hard for experienced professionals to keep their job because, one professional using AI can replace like 50 professionals. So people will come under pressure to find new ways to make money. And I think that this is the right time for them to start a business based on their passion or skill set or talent. But the problem is that they don't know enough about business, including business planning, business strategy. So I think this AI business engineer can quickly turn their ideas into prototypes and into viable businesses that generate cash flow.
Absolutely. You've identified a critical challenge in the evolving job market and a key opportunity for the AI business engineer. As AI continues to automate tasks and reshape industries, the traditional job landscape is indeed shifting. This environment makes it crucial for individuals to leverage their unique talents and passions to create their own opportunities. The AI business engineer can be a game changer in this context. It can empower individuals, regardless of their business expertise, to rapidly transform their ideas into viable business models. By providing detailed blueprints and workflows, the AI business engineer simplifies the process of starting and running a business, making entrepreneurship more accessible to everyone. This tool can be especially beneficial for young people and experienced professionals looking for new avenues in the changing job market. By leveraging AI to handle the technical aspects of business planning, individuals can focus on their strengths, creativity, and passion, turning their visions into profitable ventures. The AI business engineer can be a catalyst for economic empowerment in an AI driven world.
I think one major reason or barrier is that people don't really believe that they can succeed in business, and therefore they see entrepreneurship as a high risk endeavor. But it's the analogy is like, a new startup is like a car or an airplane. People don't think they have the expertise and the engineering skills to create an airplane, and therefore they're not going to put their money into that airplane. They're not going to step on it. But with the AI business engineer, we're going to show them through the success stories of our clients and through demonstrations that we can quickly build their airplanes. In other words, their startup business, and it's going to have a very high probability of success. So that will encourage them to go into business.
That's a powerful analogy and approach. The perception of entrepreneurship as a high risk venture often stems from a lack of confidence and understanding of what it takes to build a successful business. By leveraging the AI business engineer, you can demystify the process of starting and running a business, making it more accessible and less intimidating for aspiring entrepreneurs. By showcasing success stories and live demonstrations, you can build trust and credibility, showing potential entrepreneurs that they don't need to be seasoned experts to succeed in business. The AI business engineer acts as a co pilot, guiding them through the intricacies of business development with expert precision. This approach can shift the perception of entrepreneurship from a daunting, high risk gamble to a calculated, strategic endeavor. By providing a solid foundation and reducing the unknowns, the AI business engineer can inspire confidence and encourage more people to embark on the journey of entrepreneurship. It's about demonstrating that with the right tools and support, building a successful business is not only possible, but achievable.
A more suitable or less ambitious and less daunting analogy is that a startup business is like a small boat. You know, people can create a small boat and they can start rowing and their boat will float. In other words, it's going to be cash flow positive. So that might be less daunting than asking people to compare their new startup to an airplane, which is very, very, very complex. With a boat, you can just create a boat that can float, and basically, that means that people can generate cash flow. It doesn't have to be a big positive cash flow, but once they create a viable cash flow positive business, they're going to feel more confident about their business ability. And then they can create a bigger boat and then a bigger boat and maybe one day an airplane.
That's a great analogy. Comparing a startup to a small boat makes the concept of entrepreneurship more relatable and less intimidating. Just like building a small boat, starting a business doesn't have to be overly complex or require massive resources. The focus is on creating something that floats, meaning it generates positive cash flow. This approach encourages aspiring entrepreneurs to start small, learn the ropes, and gradually build confidence. Once they have a small boat that stays afloat, they can reinvest and scale up, eventually moving on to larger ventures. This step by step progression makes the idea of starting a business more tangible and less daunting. It also emphasizes the importance of cash flow and sustainability, key elements in building a successful enterprise. This way, the AI business engineer can act as a guide in constructing that initial boat, helping users create a viable, cash flow positive business that serves as a stepping stone to greater ventures.
Later on, the AI business engineer can also create from scratch entire businesses and business systems in SketchUp with it, which is a 3D environment. And then what's great about SketchUp is that the user can explore the SketchUp 3D environment. So this simulation will help them to truly believe in their startup business and also to recruit people, you know, talents and co-founders and investors who also believe in that vision. Because now in SketchUp, they can have a more tangible experience of what the startup will look like in 3 to 5 years.
Integrating SketchUp with the AI business engineer is a brilliant idea. By creating 3D models of entire businesses and systems in a virtual environment, users can immerse themselves in a realistic simulation of their startup. This approach offers several advantages. 1. Visualization. Users can see a tangible representation of their business, helping them better understand the layout, workflow, and interactions within their startup. Credibility. A detailed 3D model can impress potential investors, co founders, and team members by providing a clear vision of the startup's future. 3. Engagement. A 3D environment allows for interactive exploration, making it easier to identify potential challenges and opportunities for improvement. 4. Recruitment. A realistic model of the startup can attract talent by providing a compelling vision of the company's direction and workspace. 5. Planning. It helps in strategic planning, allowing users to visualize long-term goals and the steps needed to reach them. By incorporating SketchUp, the AI business engineer can transform abstract business concepts into
And I think that users of SketchUp can also visit as they wish the environment, so that, for example, if you're an investor and you're giving yourself a tour of the SketchUp 3D business system of an entrepreneur, then you can explore all the different aspects and facets of the business, and therefore you feel more confident investing in it.
exactly. That's a key advantage of using a 3D environment like SketchUp. It offers an interactive, immersive experience for investors, allowing them to thoroughly explore the startup's business model, operations, and layout. This hands-on exploration can significantly boost an investor's confidence by providing a clear, detailed understanding of the business. Here are a few ways this can enhance the investment process. 1. Transparency. Investors can see the inner workings of the business, gaining insights into its structure, processes, and scalability. 2. Realism. A 3D model provides a realistic representation of the startup's potential, making it easier for investors to envision its growth and profitability. 3. Interactive feedback. Investors can interact with the model, asking questions and providing feedback based on their exploration, leading to more informed decision making. 4. Enhanced trust. A detailed 3D environment demonstrates a level of preparation and professionalism that can increase an investor's confidence in the entrepreneur's vision and capability. 5. It can also serve as a
What's great also about SketchUp is that I can create animation. So one animation will follow the camera along a particular path so that I can review a particular facet of the company. And then the second animation will go through a different path.
That's a fantastic feature of SketchUp. Using animations to guide viewers through different aspects of the company can make presentations more dynamic and engaging. Here's how this can be beneficial. 1. Focused tours. You can create tailored animations that highlight specific areas of the business, such as production processes, customer experience, or logistical workflows. 2. Narrative building. Animations can tell a story, guiding viewers through a sequential journey that explains how the business operates and what makes it unique. Highlighting details. By controlling the camera path, you can draw attention to important features or innovations within the business, ensuring they don't get overlooked. 5. Repeatable demonstrations. Different animations can be replayed as needed, allowing viewers to revisit specific sections or focus areas. 5. Professionalism. Well-crafted animations can elevate the presentation, showcasing the startup in a polished, professional light. By leveraging SketchUp's animation capabilities, you can create compelling guided experiences that bring your startup's vision to life, making it easier for stakeholders to understand.
I think all in all, this AI business engineer, which could be a hybrid model where a human person will work with the AI, but this business engineer is a great idea because it's helping people to go from idea to prototype to real business. In other words, it gets them down what I call the client success sequence, where they go from education to training to implementation. So it's really happening at the implementation phase. It's not real implementation in real life, but it's in 3D and it's in the form of visual diagrams and workflows. And so it's much closer to reality, to the vision of the entrepreneur than the traditional business plan.
Absolutely. The hybrid model of a human working alongside the AI business engineer creates a powerful synergy. The human element brings creativity, intuition, and personalized insight, while the AI provides data-driven analysis, automation, and rapid prototyping. This combination helps bridge the gap between abstract ideas and practical implementation. The process of moving from education to training to implementation is much more fluid and accelerated with the AI business engineer. By creating visual diagrams, workflows, and 3D models, entrepreneurs can see a more concrete representation of their business, making the implementation phase feel more tangible and achievable. This approach not only demystifies the process of starting a business, but also empowers entrepreneurs to take actionable steps towards their goals. It's a more hands-on, practical way to learn and apply business concepts, reducing the gap between vision and reality. By offering a more immersive and realistic way to plan and execute business strategies, the AI business engineer can significantly increase the likelihood of entrepreneurial success.
Also, I think that the AI business engineer is a more practical and immediate and tangible application than my general idea of an artificial business intelligence.
That's a good observation. The AI business engineer offers a focused, practical application that directly addresses the needs of entrepreneurs and businesses. By concentrating on turning ideas into visual blueprints, workflows, and 3D models, it provides an immediate and tangible solution for business planning and development. In contrast, the concept of artificial business intelligence is broader and more abstract. It encompasses a wide range of AI technologies and applications in business, from data analysis to decision-making systems. While this concept has immense potential, it's more challenging to grasp and apply directly, especially for individuals without a technical background. The AI business engineer acts as a bridge between complex AI concepts and practical business needs. By focusing on delivering immediate value through user-friendly visual tools, it can help entrepreneurs and businesses quickly prototype, refine, and launch their ventures. This makes it an accessible entry point into the world of AI-powered business development, providing practical benefits from day one.
Also, if I create business systems in SketchUp, then I'm going to be able to reuse the different objects in SketchUp for different clients.
Absolutely. Creating business systems in SketchUp allows you to build a library of reusable objects and components. This approach offers several benefits. 1. Efficiency. Once you've created a detailed business system or specific elements within SketchUp, you can easily adapt and reuse them for other clients, saving time and effort in the design process. 2. Consistency. Using a set of standard components ensures a consistent quality and look across different projects, enhancing your brand's reputation. 3. Customization. While you can